When looking at what hairstyles will be big in 2022, we're seeing the laid-back, effortless style carry into the new year. However, there's a bit of a twist. Many of these looks focus on two opposites: a lot of texture or sleek and smooth. What both styles have in common, though, are the blunt cuts that accompany the texture. From blunt straight bobs to blunt layered looks, many of our favorite looks are getting an upgrade. At number 1, we have textured layers. Textured layers are something we've seen added to so many haircuts, and it doesn't look like the style is going away anytime soon. One thing that's so great about these layers is that they're very movable and can be paired with short or long hair. So really anybody can sport this style, and it's going to be one of the easiest hairstyle trends in 2022. At number 2, we have wispy bangs. It's no secret that bangs have been having a major moment in the spotlight over the past year. We saw looks from blunt straight across fringe to the oh-so-popular curtain bangs that seem to absolutely take over social media. We'll still see fringe see 2022. It's just going to be an opposite take. Wispy bangs have recently gained popularity across TikTok, and we're positive they'll pick up even more throughout 2022. This PC style is a nice alternative to the blunt looks we've been seeing. Plus, it's a great option if you're new to bangs and don't want to commit to a bold look just yet. At number 3, we have effortless braids. The laid-back look is making its way into 2022, which isn't a surprise. As more and more people ditch hot tools and become comfortable wearing their natural textured hair, we're seeing this effortless, messy look a lot more. These braids are just the right amount of put together meets messy without being too disheveled. At number 4, we have blunt lobs. So, maybe you aren't feeling as short of a style as a bob. Try out a lob instead. This long bob is a modern take on trusty blunt bob. However, it's becoming just like a classic of a style. We think this is a great option for anyone looking to go shorter in the new year, but doesn't want to have a bob. At number 5, we have textured fringe. Long gone are the days of perfectly straight and styled bangs. Thanks to everyone letting their natural texture shine through, bangs have been following along with this trend too. Before, so many people felt like they had to straighten their bangs even if they wore their hair curly. Now, people are letting their curls free even with their bangs, and we're so happy about this trend.